Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you something more very interesting in Canva. So let's get started. Go on search button, open the Canva app in your mobile. See now what was the basic thing what I have said. If you have created any design, just go on the bottom side, go on design and go on your earlier design you have created. Okay, now that's what the design we have created earlier. Now in this video we'll be going to see how to insert icons and many more few simple tools that you need to remember while editing Canva. It's very simple. No software will be such easy than any than like Canva. Okay, let's get started. So if you need to insert an icon, so what we'll do, just go on the bottom right side, you will see a plus icon. Just click plus and then just go on selecting photos. Okay, photos or shapes or any of the things, just see. Okay, text will just go on clicking elements over here, and in the search icon we'll see Instagram logo. See, in the Canva it also suggests us I want an Instagram logo. So what will I'll be doing, suppose I need this colorful logo, I just click in colorful and I see your Instagram logo is being uploaded. Okay, and now I'll suppose I want a Facebook logo also. I'll go on the plus icon on the elements, I'll select over here Facebook logo. See, okay, I'll be just using this logo Facebook. Okay, and suppose I also have a Twitter account, I'll be just going and selecting Twitter logo. Okay, now see, these are logos. Now basically what you have to do, just if you need to do smaller images, so just click on one item, click for 2 seconds, then see one item selected, then select Facebook, then select third Instagram. Now basically what you have to do, you can also group these icons. With these three groups, whenever you select, you will just be selecting single item. Now it's basically three, so I have just selected one by one three logos. Now just on the bottom side you see, when you select any one more than one objects, you will see the bottom group position. Okay, I'll be just selecting group. Suppose I click on the bottom side and then I click on the logos, so what you can see, all three logos are now grouped. Now just small, make it smaller. Okay, and suppose I need to make more smaller. Okay, this is basically what I need. Okay, I'll just be needing another text. I'm selecting India over here, making it duplicate over here, and in this option I'll be making follow us on. Okay, see, I'm making it smaller over here and make it on the top. Now I'll zoom out over here, and now I'm okay with the design. Okay, now what else I'll change, suppose I need to change this font, this World Business Game font. Now what I'll be doing, just click on the text and the bottom side you'll be seeing various tools. Now go and see, there's a font or Open Sans Extra, click on that and see there are various free fonts over here. Suppose I need to take this font, either semi bold. Suppose I take this font and I'm making it bigger. Okay, now I'm happy with the font, and now suppose I need to give some effects in it. Then what will I be doing, this I'm the bottom side, see there's an option over here, while dragging you can see it's effect over here, and see there are few effects in this. In the free version you get this, but I think it's very very much enough for you to edit something. Okay, see, okay, intensity, every single thing you can do in this. Now suppose in this Canva there is a new option over here, it's curve. See, this is the new feature in Canva that you can now do and edit over here. But I think I don't need this design, don't need anything. I'll just be needing in plain simple design over here. Okay, now see, now it's my icons are done. And now suppose I need to insert a line in this, so I'll be going on plus icon, elements, line means, understand what I'm saying. See, on the elements, when I go shapes, frames and lines, this select the lines over here. These are various lines in Canva you can insert in this. Okay, so just drag down, drag down, drag down, and in the bottom left, suppose I like this one. Okay, I like this line over here. I'll be just dragging on it, and I'll suppose I want to change the color on the bottom side. See, there's an also option, you can also change the color. You can design according to your style. I'm just showing you in a simpler way so that it gets it to your brain very easily. See, okay, now this is the basic thing that I want to show you, and in other videos I'll be showing you more simpler tool in which you can do more creatively. I'll be just showing you the logo, how to create a logo in Instagram. So please watch my next video. Thank you.